Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. This is our third video. As you know, we have started a new chapter, anatomy of flowering plant. In the previous video we have learned about meristematic tissues and their types, and today we understand another plant tissue, that is permanent tissue. So what is permanent tissue? Permanent tissue means non-dividing tissue, or we can say permanent tissues are made up of those mature tissues which have lost the ability to cell divide. These cells may be alive or dead. Permanent tissues are maybe two types, simple and complex. In simple, these are three types: parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. And in complex, these are two types: xylem and phloem. So first we understand simple tissues and their types. So first, simple tissue. Simple tissues are made up of similar type of cells. These cells are parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. So first we understand parenchyma. Parenchyma are living cells present all part of the plant. These cells are thin-walled and made up of cellulose. Parenchymatous cells generally isodermic, and these parenchymatous cells also spherical, oval, rounded, polygonal and elongated in shape. Intercellular space present in parenchymatous cells. Here you can see these parenchymatous cells found inner layer of leaves called mesophyll. These cells are photosynthetic. Now understand another simple tissue, that is collenchyma. Collenchyma cells also living cells. These cells are elongated, thick wall at corner because of deposition of cellulose. These cells help to hold the plant. Cells are oval, polygonal and contain chloroplast. Intercellular space absent in collenchyma cells, and these collenchyma cells provide flexibility to the stem. Third is sclerenchyma. These tissues are dead tissues, thick wall. These tissues are long, narrow cells, and these tissues also provide mechanical support to the whole plant. So these are types of simple tissue. Now we understand complex tissues. Complex tissues made up of more than one type of cells. They are two types: xylem and phloem. First, xylem. Xylem are conducting tissue found in vascular plant. These tissues are made up of four type of element: tracheids, vessels, xylem parenchyma and xylem fiber. Xylem parenchyma and xylem fiber are living cells. The main function of xylem is transportation of water and minerals from root to the different part of the plant. These tissues provide mechanical strength to the whole plant. In xylem tissues, first form protoxylem and then form metaxylem. And now very important point: in stems, protoxylem lie towards the center and metaxylem lie towards the periphery. This condition is called endarch. When protoxylem lie towards center and metaxylem lie towards periphery, so this condition is called endarch. Now we understand what is phloem. Phloem are living conducting tissues, and they are found in innermost layer of the bark. Phloem composed of four type of element: sieve tube element, companion cells, phloem parenchyma and fourth, phloem fiber. So sieve tube elements are multicellular in origin, and the end part of the sieve tube element is perforated vacuole large. And second are companion cells. Companion cells present only in angiosperm. These are closely associated with sieve tube elements. Third, phloem parenchyma. Phloem parenchyma made up of elongated cells. And fourth, phloem fiber. Phloem fiber are made up of sclerenchymatous cells. Phloem also a conducting tissue. These are conduct soluble organic compound. So these are permanent tissue. Thanks for watching this video.